10th March 2022. Important daily current affairs for all exam. Number 1. The President Ramnath Kovind has conferred the Nari Shakti Puruskar for the 2020 and 2021 on the occasion of International Women's Day on 8 March at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. The International Women's Day is celebrated on 8 March. Number 2. Women-led financial empowerment initiative hashtag Lakshmi for Lakshmi has launched by HDFC Mutual Fund. The information about HDFC full from Housing Development Finance Corporation. The headquarters of HDFC is in Mumbai and it was set up in August 1994 and the present CEO of HDFC is Sasidhar Jagdishan and the present chairman of HDFC is Atanu Chakraborty and the HDFC Bank tagline is "We understand your world." And HDFC consecutively performed as the best private bank in India. Next, number 4. The ministry has organized a program Jharokha in Pan India by the Ministry of Culture and the Ministry of Textile. It is a part of this initiative is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and the Minister of Culture is G. Kishan Reddy and the Minister of Textile is Piyush Goyal. This initiative was initiated in the Pan India program in 16 locations in 13 states and UTs. Number 5. CDAC has designed and installed a supercomputer Param Ganga at IIT Roorkee, Uttarakhand. CDAC stands for the Center for Development and Advanced Computing. And the Param Ganga has a supercomputing capacity of 1.66 petaflops. Number 6. The country has successfully test fired the second military satellite Noor 2 into an altitude of 500 km from Earth is Iran. The information about Iran. Iran is an Asian country and the capital of Iran is Tehran and the currency of Iran is Iranian Rial and the present president of Iran is Ibrahim Raisi. Next, number 7. The ministry has launched the Samarth, a special entrepreneurship promotion for women is Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Micro Small Medium Enterprise in New Delhi. The objective of this initiative was to provide skill development and market development assistance to women and to train the 500 plus women candidates from rural and suburban areas in the financial year of 2022-23. And the present MSME minister is Narayan Nare and the Ministry of State for MSME is Vanu Pratap Singh Verma. Next, number 8, United Nations Environment Program was held in Nairobi, Kenya. The aims of the UNEP 5 was strengthening action for for nature to achieve the sustainable development goals. Number 9, according to the Freedom World 2022 report, India ranked as the partly free in terms of democracy and free society consecutive times. And last, number 10, presently world's most censored country is Russia, and the second most censored country is Iran. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily updates.